Hello, welcome to my new YouTube channel, Learn English with Hailee. If you would like to learn or improve your English, you are in the right place. My name is Hailee, and I've been an English teacher for 10 years. I've helped hundreds, if not thousands, of international students improve their English so that they can go to universities in the United States. I decided to make this YouTube channel because I wanted to help many more people reach their English goals. So this is a new YouTube channel and I plan to upload content on a regular basis. If you see something you like on my channel, please subscribe. Also, feel free to leave me comments in the comment section below the videos and tell me what kinds of topics you need to learn or you would be interested in me teaching. Thank you guys for checking out my channel. Have a great day and I hope to see you again sometime.